Well, okay, here we are again, trading Bitcoin. Trading Bitcoin. So, actually, this Bitcoin setup isn't looking like something I would want to trade. What do we have? I'm just risking 53 pips on this trade, actually. So, and targeting almost 390 pips, okay, on this trade. So that's my targets. Come on. All right. All right. Mic is even working without being on. Oh. Hey, bro. Keep SL above 85,100 if you serious want to trade before breakout. It's consolidating. Where is my stop loss? Yeah, actually, once I've done a setup, it happens to be that way. Either way, either I hit stop loss or it goes to take profits. I don't care. Once I hit stop loss, I check why I hit the stop loss and then I take correction. And like I said at start, I said this setup is not looking like something I want to trade, but what do I have? It's always a risk. It's either a risk to get or risk to not get. So I'm already seeing this uh, I'm already seeing something creating here in 15 minutes time frame, which looks like bullish engulfing or so. Don't have all those English on my head. So of course it might create, I will just see it pushing upward from there. Or you can see it there. You can see what's happening there. So you might just see it like a boost from here now. Boom. And the next zone we have here is this. So I just see it coming back to this resistance here, which becomes support. Yeah, you wait for it to take one direction, it's fine. So, yep, you can possibly see it coming back to take us out and head to the zone. So, well, this is Forex, so anything is possible. We can still see it being possible and not breaking this whatever resistance we have here and still head back down or break above, get a breakout and head here next. And maybe, possibly, we see it heading to more places. Okay, so because trading is reactive and not predictive, so you can just say yes, it might get here and it will not get. So we'll just be looking at it for now. Let's take this off. Or I can leave it. Let me just put my arrow again. So we might see it possibly coming down to follow our setup or break out and head there. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I just told you my opinion. Yeah, thank you. I wasn't against your opinion, bro. If you can hear me, I wasn't against your opinion. I just said, okay, fine. Since you said it's breakout and that, I said, well, me, once I just draw a setup and I said, this is my take profit, this is my stop loss. I just stick to it. I don't follow other ideas. Even if I saw that, yes, it's going wrong, yes, I'll still leave it. Sometimes cutting loss early, maybe it's at advantage. Sometimes, you don't know what the market. So I said trading is reactive and not predictive. You can just get scared. That's like your emotion. So I've worked on my emotion and I don't care. Like, it doesn't feel me, it doesn't freak me. So even if I see, okay, this setup is going bad, well, I just stick to my stop loss, and once it hits the stop loss, I'll now go back. That's when you see is it, what do they call it, like retest, or I've forgotten that English. So I'll go back and check, okay, see, this was the reason I hit stop loss. Fine. I'll not do that again. I'll now learn from my mistake. So that's just trading. There's nothing to everybody. We are learning from each other. It's not as if I know more than you or know more than anybody. I don't know more than anybody. I learn every day. I read every day. Even the support or resistance I think I know, I might still get it wrong. So it's just forex for you. So nothing new there. Keep the work going. Thank you, Abdul. Love you too. Love you too. Wait, I haven't shared this live on my Telegram channel. Okay, let's get some people joining this live now. Let's see how many people we're gonna get. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go. Where is gold right now? Okay, gold is at 29.20. That's movement. I probably think that gold is gonna get there, or it just play around. We don't even have any news today. There is no any volatile news today, and I don't know why gold is okay. There is, I think there is war or something happening. I haven't checked the news, but I think for gold to keep pushing up this wheel at high pace, I think there's news going on, and there is war somewhere in the world, somewhere around the world going on. Okay, yeah. So I can see some reaction there. So I've been seeing rejections here. This Bitcoin I've been rejecting here for very long now. See rejection, 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 rejection. Then this zone as where I drew, which becomes valid, and it's still rejecting again. Just look at it, still coming down. So I think that's a more valid zone. Why I said I'm selling at that zone because it has been rejecting there, and you see it entered, and yeah, I drew this line, this red line, just for other entries. This is my entry, but I'm still selling in this zone. It doesn't mean that I need to wait for it to tap into this entry or trigger my limit order. I'm still selling in that zone. Whatever. Then I do my martingale as an ad. So let's see how this goes. Alright, catch you back in a while. So I'm going to head and do whatever I want to do while this live keeps playing on its own. Let's see where my trade is. I made some entries. Yeah, I made some early entries on. I made entry at 84 200. Made the sell entry at 4 200. Still made another one on 84 100. Still made another on 8400. of which I'm running 40 plus pips on the first one, 30, then 20. So that's the update for now. Let's see how it goes. And I still have a sell limit open because my sell entry, the main entry is 20 and 84,279. That's the main sell entry, but still have it open and seeing what will happen. Okay. Well, so I think um, I'm gonna live this life today for, let's see, for 1 hour. For 1 hour and see what happens. Okay, so this live is gonna be open for an hour, and just as the setup there, we're selling Bitcoin from 84, 200, 300, 100, so 84k roughly. That's where we started selling, and we are down. Let's see, we're down in profit of 60 pips. Okay, just now, so it's back to 50 pips. Some might want to take profit, some might still want to hold till full take profit. Well, there are different types of traders. So even if you tell somebody to hold, yep, that person will still tell you, I'm scared of my money, I want to take profits, I want to take profit. 50 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, they're out. So you just can't control someone's emotion. So if you want to trade like me, let me not be proud of myself. It's not as if I'm even good like that. But my name is aggressive swing trader. Very aggressive when it comes to taking profits and trading. I just don't fear anything. It's not as if I have enough, but um it's not as if I have enough, but I'm willing to risk it all. Like not all, I'm willing to risk it. Once I enter a trade, I don't care about the trade again, because I definitely know it's not my money again. It's either I'm gonna hit stop loss and give it to the broker, or I'm gonna hit take profit and take it from the broker. So it's just a 50-50 win. I don't own the money again. Once the trade is placed, is no more my money. So that's just it. So if you have that mindset, I think you're gonna grow more. Yeah, by God's grace, I'm growing little by little. We're getting there. Some people were asking, why are you not showing your face? Why are you not doing that? Yeah, it's just for security reasons, nothing else. But with time, when I grew, when I grew more big, with time there will be face reveal. So don't bother about yourself. It's not as if I'm hiding myself or anything. I just want to stand firm first before anything. So that's just it. And moreover, in forex, anything in this industry, you don't even need to see someone's face before you follow their signals or trade with them or follow their setups. You don't even need to see. What you're after is, give me the signal, tell me to enter here, tell me to get out here, tell me to do this. That's all. Well, what other people are waiting to see someone's faces, because yeah, they want to believe that, okay, yeah, this guy, this forex trader, he has made it. He has cars, he has a house. So I want to follow him because he has all those things. He's showing them. He's showing it off. Well, that's everyone's choice to make, because it's not as if I'm against other traders because they have cars or what, and I don't, or I do. Some of them who are showing off their cars aren't actually traders. They might be profiting from either the mentorship they do, their VIP channel subscription. There are others that do what would they call like XNES, IB, and all those things. So you might be profiting from those things. Most of them aren't even profitable when it comes to trading. Give them account management and they'll just finish your money. So like the ones I'm hearing online, I've been seeing people disturbing and dragging. This one is saying I give him money for 3 years. Give him money, he traded my account and ghosted me after 2 years. So all those things are there. So you don't need to see someone physically before you follow them. Just be after the setup, and if they are quality enough for you to follow, fine, you can follow. If you want to learn from that person, fine, you can follow. Like with me, for me with time, yeah, I'm giving free setups and all that. I think I'll try to make up time, and do some tutorial video and post in my YouTube, because I think that will help. Maybe I'll start from how I get my setups. I don't really use anything special. It's just support and resistance and demand, supply, and what do they call it now? I think price action. How did I see this take profits now? Let's see if I can narrow it down. Well, let's look at on 1 hour time frame. How did I see this take profit? You can see this is where my take profit is here on this zone. And I think that should be you call it price action or whatever. But I don't literally care about knowing all those names. Maybe when I want to start doing mentorship also, I'll want to know the names so that I can boldly see it. And but I don't want care about all these names and the rest. I just know that once I see candlestick like this, red, green, I know it's something there. Price action, supply, demand, whatever. And that's where I drew my take profit. You can see the red line going down to the zone. Okay, so that's how I got it. I think it might even still not respect here, maybe come back here, and there's another liquidity here. This red candle is a rejection, which turns out to be liquidity. As they say, market always hunts liquidity. So that's how I got my entry, and then I might take profit. So my stop loss is just right above this zone here, so nothing else. And I didn't use 1 hour to make this entry. Okay. Yeah, although I actually use 1 hour because this is a supply here. This is an engulf or switch field, or what do you call it? Then supply now. The market's coming back to test into the supply. So that's where I do my box. Then I just narrowed it down to 15 minutes and then made the entry on 15 minutes. And as you can see, there was rejection, 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 rejection. And still on 15 minutes, there is still a strong supply here, which market has come back. I think if I want to use SMC English now, or ICT boys and guys, I think this here they might call it break of structure. Yeah, they might see this is, let's see, they might say this is break of structure, like this here, and the market breaks structure and then comes back, so it tests into the zone. Well, I don't know all those things. I don't even want to put my head into ICT, SMC also. Although I do test some of their things, but all those their English are just normal support and resistance. So they'll say break of structure, come back, test, and then we're going back down. So that's what I'm seeing right now. So we are currently on 60 pips in this trade. Okay, profit of 60 pips in my trade, which I'm gonna send to my Telegram channel now. Let's see. Yeah, 60 pips. Oh, that's 60 pips. I'm gonna close one because I have two entries open, so I'm gonna go two now and see where it heads us to. Oh, it's even 70 pips, not even 60. Yeah, it's just going up and down. So either way, profit is profit. Where are we now? We're still falling down. Okay, so this is Bitcoin and it's still pushing down. Still pushing down. Let's see if I can check gold. Okay, this is gold. Nothing here actually. I just used 5 minutes to just see monitoring zone and I think it has respected the zone. The next thing you're gonna see is gold, maybe, because I didn't do any setup on gold today. Maybe coming here. Let's put this on two. Oh, too big. Yep. Next thing you might see gold coming here. They may be respecting here, going back, but there's nothing here on other time frames. It's just 5 minutes I used to see the zone. So we have here coming back to this 98 zone. This is 15 minutes, so there's something here. And of course, these are just minor supports. But this is the major support here. Okay, this is the major support. I'm not saying gold might fall down, but it might fall down. Possibilities like at a higher percentage. So this is the major support here that we have. Okay, and I think it might not respect the zone. Alright, so some people might want to say, okay, they're gonna buy at 93, but aside that, there's still another fair value gap here. Let me switch that in this time frame actually. Okay, yeah, you can see there's a fair value gap here and zone here to correlate with. So this either this support is or yeah, you can see this is 30 minutes. If I was on the charts earlier, because I was just looking at Bitcoin, I would have said sell here and then come here, come here, come here, but it's gone. So you can leave it, or if this keeps pushing and rejects, and we just see a green candlestick here closing above this one, then it's a continuous buy. So the market is just unpredictable for now. So advise you just keep looking at you. Yeah, this 5 minutes, this was what I used to see okay monitor and it came, it did not touch and it skipped it and I still bought and got my profit, but it's trying to come back. So I don't think it's gonna respect the zone again. This is the next zone that it might respect if it's come back down. If it doesn't, then it's coming back down to our 84. The next zone I'll be looking at is this 29.38 gold. So everything is possible. Back to our Bitcoin setup on 15 minutes time frame. Yep, we are still pushing down, which nothing is stopping it for now. So still going down. I just saw it on what now? 83,572. So that's like roughly 50, 60 plus pips for the entries we made on 84,200. My book I got it on 84,200. Trading view is showing it much lesser. So I said I'll be on this live for 1 hour, and we are here and up for 42 minutes. So I just have 15 minutes to go and do other things. Because most of the time, once I place a trade and I do a setup and I enter the trade with that setup, I tend to go off the charts to kill emotions, not saying, okay, hey, this market is coming up, it's going down. I just trying to close the chart and then wait for it. Sometimes I check like interval, check maybe after 15 minutes, after 30 minutes, to 1 hour. Yeah, with interval, I don't stick to my screen looking at it going up and down, just killing the whole emotion. So I just check that interval. Five minutes is too much. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. I just check. And as I see my profit, I just take and then move my stop loss to break even because I don't own the market, so I don't know what the markets want to do at any given time. So break even is more. Don't mind anybody telling you don't trade the stop loss, don't trade the break even. Yeah, for those that don't trade the stop loss and break even are the rich ones. So we might get there. I might get there. Yeah, they don't trade with stop loss. They just say, okay, since their bias is sell, let's keep selling. Keep clicking the sell and going. There's no stop loss. Or since their bias is buy, let's buy and no stop loss or break even. So well, I can't do that because I don't. I'm not buoyant enough. So I put my stop loss, manage my risks, put my take profits. Even if it doesn't reach my take profits, if it's close to my take profits, I close the thing. Take my own profits. I don't want it to even activate automatically. But that sound of order fail, oh, it gives joy. No, so guys, you can screenshot, you can monitor yourself. In the next 15 minutes, I'll be resting. Okay, you stop. All right, so I'm back again, and because the market is still slow, not much volume as it was from yesterday. Because yesterday, in the span of 1 hour, 2 hours, we saw a massive fall from here down to the zone. So the market is just, as someone said, is consolidating and trading like sideways or so. So this is where I'm gonna end it. So if the setup happens to go well, it is nice. Our take profit is 80.35.21. Yeah, 80k. That's where I take profit. Just if it doesn't go well, it hits some people's break even or it goes back to stop loss. The stop loss is 848112. Let's just say 84,800k roughly. So TP 80k, stop loss 84, entry 84,300 approximately. So this is where I'm gonna end it, and see you guys with an update if it goes well or it goes bad. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on my next live. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, comments. Yeah, it helps a lot. Thank you guys. Bye.